close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Oh my God. What have I just walked into? Are we dumping on Bitcoin? My light looks a bit messed up here. Do I not look bright enough for you guys? I did my hair for you. What's going on? Trying to look all pretty. What's going on, Mark? Dutch with his pizza. What's going on, Alexandra G? What's up? Hi, Otter fam, she says. What's going on, Alexandra G? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I know I am. Maybe Jerome Powell isn't. However, good to see you guys. We start at 3:59 from now on, just so we can say hello to Retro Mike Tech. We're bullish on Retro Mike Tech. Much love to you. So we went and got a haircut today because I've been sick for like 4 or 5 days. And I'm like, you know what? If I get a haircut, maybe I'll feel better. So now we want to be utterly fine and utterly fantastic for you guys. Now, I am running a little bit low on the coffee. However, Jerome Powell is spreading the FUD, okay? He's spreading the FUD. And we're going to talk with our hands because we like to talk with our hands because we like to give you guys the goods, okay? What's going on? French Toaster in the chat. All set in the chat. Andy Lee in the chat. What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Who else do we got? We got Mark Dutch, of course. My man, the man with the wooden shoes. What's going on? We got Jonathan Schaefer, the ultimate modder otter. Be careful. That Jonathan Schaefer, he's the sheriff in town. You better be careful. B-Team Crypto always coming through. My man, Pac-Man. I guess there's another man. Sniper's Nightmare. Hope your dog feels better, brother. Save some of that money. Take care of the pooch. And I hope it feels better, man. And I hope it's not too expensive. Those vet bills, you never know what's going to happen. All set. What's going on? We got Mr. J, who got gifted a membership. Dave P. All you guys coming through, man. I see Caffeinated Crypto as well. My God. What's going on? You guys, thank you so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you guys. Now, did you guys tune into Billy Goat Tales yesterday? That was amazing. We got Crypto Crow on there talking about the damn secret, manifestation, woo-woo. Here we're going to go. But yeah, it was really good. Lots of good speakers, except for that guy coming on trying to shill the book deal. That was pretty funny. That guy was out to lunch, man. I had the number 1 selling. I want to make yours number 2, man. I want to make yours number 2. That was pretty funny. Chili Rainbow, what's going on, my man? Hope you're doing well. Let's jump into the charts. We're going to go and look over at what happened to Bitcoin. I mean, I've taken 2 trades today, and this was one of them. Now, you can say that I'm in the negative, but I'm not. And then I also took one from, did I take one from here? Yes, I did. Come on. Let's go. Pump up the volume. And we've been killing it. And then I went for a haircut right in here. This is where I went for a haircut. Right there. That's where I went for a haircut. Timing is everything. I feel like my light isn't bright. Is that? Oh. How iguana? It's got like all these settings. Like I just want the bright one. Ooh. Does that make the muscles look bigger? All right. Got to get those angles. You know, I like getting a fade haircut because then all my gray hair hides, okay? It's an Italian problem. Oh, man. Alexandra G in the chat. Let's throw some Alexandra G emojis in the chat. Much love to you, Alexandra G. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel. Helping us help you guys. That's pretty much what it's all about. Lunar Beach's crypto coming through. What's going on, my man? And also, yeah, we definitely came out with a video today. I think it was on Army Piper's channel right here. Okay. 2025 Bitcoin predictions. That video came out hot off the platter. So if you want to go see my 212,000 Bitcoin that I don't know. I hope we get there, man. I mean, like, what do you expect, man? I'm bullish AF, man. How could I not be bullish in this crazy, crazy world that we live in where banks are collapsing and everything is going to poop, but yet we still push on? Okay, so we got New York's Community Bank Corp. Thank you, Jonathan Schaefer, for letting us know in the Discord ahead of time. He's like a ninja with this stuff. He's got those updates. He'd be at work, like, just trolling the Twitterverse. And the man, set the light. Jonathan Schaefer said, set the light to 4,000 Kelvin in the light color measurement. That will give you a nice, soft white that is bright enough to see, but too much to hurt your eyes. Bro, I got... I'm an angel. I am an angel. One's on a stand. And then I got one up back here. Trying to look all pretty for you people, okay? This is my effort. I make an effort. Okay? I make an effort. Shorting Calvin from 4K. Got it. What's going on, Moonboot Boy? He's shorting Calvin. Everybody, Calvin coin, short it. 4,000. All right, we'll be in profits. Thank you. Oh, man, too good. So, guys, we get this news in the morning. New York Community Bank Corp plunges as real estate risk jolts investors. Look at this thing, man. It falls off a planet, guys. And they're like, you know what, guys? We can't be trading this anymore, guys. You got to stop shorting it. Okay, we're going to shut it down. You remember GameStop, okay? Remember, guys? Okay, yeah. You can't be doing that. So we're going to stop it for a second because, this is we control and manipulate the whole market. And if you guys are just going to profit off of this, we're going to have to shut it down, okay? Okay? This is ridiculous. This is why we're in Bitcoin, because this is such BS, man. When these guys can come and just be like, "Hey, hold your horses there, guys. All right, we'll let you exit your trades. However, no more trading on this. All right, hold up. This is too much of a drop. Like, come on, man. This is a load of BS, man. And this is a bank run, and it's gonna happen. And when this happened, what happened with Bitcoin? We pumped, man. We pumped up. Okay, so crazy. It's crazy. But it's nice to see that the beautiful Bitcoin is being used as a flight to safety and all this stuff. And we will go over our trades. But, man, this is a load of bollocks, man, as Mrs. Otter would say. She's British AF. And she would say, this is a load of bollocks. They bloody well stopped the stock market because everybody's making the money. No, she doesn't talk like that. She's probably in the other room laughing at my ass. And she's like, I do not sound like that. And British people don't even sound like that. We got to get Tino on here to do the British. My missus would call Tino a posh twat because he's from London. He's a Londoner. He's a real Londoner, she would say. However, yeah. Tony Soprano, Darren does things. There's where they're like, I love when the real like original people like it's like I've shared like, I don't know, like it's like the Andrew Tate's war room with Darren Does Things and Tony Soprano and Jonathan Schaefer and Sniper's Nightmare. It's like I've grown up as like a degen trader and Lunar Beach's crypto, from a degen trader to like a profitable degen trader. Okay. You guys thought I was gonna give you guys some like I'm now some sophisticated trader guy who's gonna wear a tie and shit on YouTube and tell you guys what to do. No, I will never do that. I will always be myself. I will always be a bit of a goofball, and I'll always give this shit away for free because that's what I make money off of trading, and you guys can save your hard-earned dollars, okay? We all want to grow together, and that's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. But yes, I am feeling better. Thank you for asking. Darren Does Things. A little bit of, the itis where I don't want to do much, but that's just the way of it. You want to whinge a little bit. So we're not going to close this one. Let's go over to Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, the network explodes with 484. It even cuts off your wrist when you get excited. 484,000 interacting addresses. So ETH is all of a sudden bullish. Okay? All of a sudden bullish. There's an article. We don't read articles here that much. But I was thinking I'd just add the articles to the charts. And, we did get a nice move from ETH the other day. And then we kind of just fell on our asses after this crazy day of FOMC. However, there's a lot of anticipation, like we've been talking about on this channel for quite some time, for a bullish move on Ethereum. It's lagging. I do believe Ethereum needs to get to around $3,000, and then I do believe by the end of this bull run, we're looking at around $12,000, maybe $10,000 Ethereum, give or take. Okay, so Ethereum bullish AF, but right now it's just chopping around, kind of suppressed in comparison to Solana. I think there's been a lot of Solana hype, Solana narrative. We'll see how you do, Solana, okay, until your network shuts down. However, bullish news on Ethereum. And then XRP. Guys, is this like market manipulation day? Is this just like, let's just totally F with everybody? Ripple hacked for 112 million in XRP. Like, I'd unsub if you wore a suit and it wasn't a shatik. If it wasn't a shatik. Oh, man. It's just a lot. You guys, if there's a time for XRP to FUD, and, stuff like this, when people are getting so damn scared and they're putting out this FUD and they're jumping price like this down to the point of control that we had marked out at 48 cents. Okay? 48.40. Look, we even had the levels. Like, our levels are so damn good that, like, we even call an XRP, even though we haven't done TA on XRP in, like, 5 months. Because it hasn't moved in 5 months. So they're still relevant. So there's lots of crap going around. And then we got Jerome Pow, right? Jerome Pow talking a lot of smack today. And I listened in. I watched Tom Crown. We got to pay salute to Tom Crown. Thank you, Tom Crown, for always giving us a good FOMC live stream where he, I believe he moves his head around. He holds I think it's Alt. you can hold Alt and be like half man, half machine. Or you can be like, I want to be the headless horseman of the crypto world. Stop looking at them. Stop looking at them. Okay? And then he moves his head around and stuff. It's pretty awesome to watch. However, I'll put my ass back in the corner and put myself on a timeout after that. And we'll go over our trades. We'll look over the entirety of the beautiful crypto world, and we'll look over the stock market, and we'll make a consensus of which way and which direction, depending on the moon cycles and the Fibonacci's and the market cipher B's, which way we think we can go. Can you tell I'm in a better mood today, guys? Thank you so much for being here. Man, Apprentice, what's going on, my man? Good to see you here. Tony Soprano says, Alex, when you hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to figure out how to super chat to send my first super chat ever. Probably only $1 because I'm poor. Tony Soprano, I don't want your money, man. I just want you to hang out with the gang, be part of the community. I saw your good win. I almost swore there. You had a fucking awesome you had an awesome short the other day, man. That was great, man. That was great. I love seeing you guys win, man. Crypto Gamer says, did you see about the drama about Satoshi BM? YouTubers exposing the scam and banter, and other YouTubers were shilling it since they got tokens for free. People lost millions. Yeah. That's a load up. That's why we are part of that givers gain community where we're not like rugging people and treating people like shit because it's a load of bollocks. It's a tainted industry, right? And we want to definitely want to try and change that and build a community of trust and honesty and transparency, right? And I could show you these trades today, right? And I could tell you where I got out of them because this was the intention and they ended up a lot differently. But I took these trades today, and I have proof of that, right? Darren does things. Alex, people from where I live are posh, Cambridge, all the overqualified people who can't use logic and reason. Bloody Cambridge. We live near the university, so we talk like this, and we're posh twats who drink tea with the pinkies in the air. Oh, man. Is this the new Frankie show? Man. Don't go there with me. Come on, man. What's the Otter Gang, man? We degenning, man. We degenning, slonging 100x leverage kind of shit. But we profitable, all right? We profitable. We be killing it. So what happened with this trade? Well, guess what? I got out here and I was very upset about it. Okay, right? I was very upset about it. This was my plan. Right here, this was the trade setup this morning that I took, and look, I took this one too, and I said very risky, guys, and this was a trade setup as well. So guess what? I didn't totally cash out on this one. I think I made like $200 on this one. No, $350 on this one, and $300 on this one. Okay, so a nice $600 day. Let me see if I can. I don't have my exchange up. I can pull those up and share them in the Discord, but. Sometimes, guys, you adjust your risk, you trade differently due to the conditions of the market, okay? And what were the conditions of the market today, guys? It was, Jerome Powell. And he came in and he spreaded the FUD, the bank company. I could have rode this to the top. That would have been a nice trade. I would have made at least a G note on that. However, we had a strategy, and it was a plan to do this. We saw the consolidation coming up here. We had the beautiful trend line holding support, and we got a lot of bullish signs this morning. Okay, so let's jump into it, nitty-gritty here, where we can see the bullish signs and all the good stuff where this trade transpired. Okay, so what was happening here? We were chopping around. Let's go into the 8-minute. I like the 8-minute, okay? So we were chopping around here, getting some fun. You know the trade now, so... We got the point of control here. I said this morning, guys, the point of control here is going to be very, very important. Okay, I said that this morning. Let's go into what I said this morning. I said, here we go. We say, want to see us above the point of control to continue. I gave you guys the levels. Okay, point of control, 43 and 43,591. And if I don't put the big, huge grandpa letters on the chart. You can always look at the right side of the chart, okay? The red numbers right there, okay? And there's more. Those are all my levels that I use for trading, okay? I'm going to say S&P gap down, Dixie dump possible up. Then I said because we pumped. I also said 2-hour VWAP crossover. Very, very nice sign with the bullish momentum wave to the upside, printing a green dot. Okay, 2-hour looked juicy, right? So we took that trade. Now, did I take all the profits? No. So we had the 2-hour crossover. We had a consolidation up here. So we went consolidation up here, right? Then we got into the long right here. We got out right here. So that was the first trade. Okay. Very, very simple. Should have wrote it a little bit higher. However, very scary conditions today. Today, I typically don't trade Jerome Pow days, but sometimes we do. And then the second trade. Okay. In here, I was getting a haircut. We got the Bart Simpson. Okay. Mr. Bart Simpson here. He lives here. Mr. Bart. And then Bart Simpson dumped on our ass right back down to the point of control. Okay. And we went long here and we got out right here. Because stop loss moved to profit. And that trade setup was given in advance as well. Look at that. So getting a haircut, and, you tune into the Jerome Powell speaking, Jerome Pow, and then we get dumped on, point of control, little bit of boop, boop, right? And the key levels, man, the key levels have been so good today, right? And there's the trade, right? There's the trade, but the key levels have been making us some bank lately, man. So they've been hitting nice. I mean, the only trade that you would have really liked to take was the short from up here, okay? I'm out of this trade now. So the short from up here would have been nice as well. You can see bearish divergence, higher high, lower low. There's a setup there at a key level of resistance, and the dump. But remember, this is a very, very, very volatile day. And if you don't think so, like we can just explain that very simply by going like this and showing you what transpired today, right? And if you want to watch a replay of a highlight reel day, this is the day where you go do. This is like Super Bowl for like traders, where we're like, oh, and he's going up. Oh, he's gonna retest. Oh, is he? No, fake out. Retest. Push higher. Oh, there it is. Oh, really faking you guys out. Oh, yeah, bear divs. Pow's going to speak. Pow. Chair pow. And then we're back to where we are now. That was my interpretation of the day. Oh, man, we're feeling better, man. We're feeling better. So, guys, what's next? What is next after such a absolute bonkers day, man? Absolute bonkers day. And if you traded this, then congratulations, man. You've done well. If you've escaped with some profits, give yourself a pat on the back just for being so bloody handsome and so gorgeous. You ladies out there, you guys make me smile, man. I wouldn't have it any other way. Thank you guys so much for your support. And so where are we now? Right? Whenever you're lost, you're lost out in the wherever wilderness, the first question you ask is, where are you now, right? So we are consolidating in the middle of a range. We're at the point of the control, right? There's some opportunities here. We are looking for a swing failure pattern up into a red zone. Now, what is that red zone? Long term. Oh, that's the trend. We are looking for areas of interest. There we are. So for me, right now, we are looking for the area of interest where we're looking to either push past or get rejected from. Now, this red box is the key area that we are looking to get up into and look for a possible reversal, or we're looking to get pushed back down. Come grab the liquidity, which is down here around 40,000, which isn't out of the question, guys. This is not out of the question. And perhaps it's more likely now that we've had such an aggressive push up, okay? Perhaps it's more likely, considering that we do have Thursday, which is typically a down day for us. So Thursdays are typically down, right? And then Friday, which is also going to be an interesting day, my friends, because we also have some information coming our way. Okay, and what is that information? We have beautiful manufacturing tomorrow. Then we have unemployment and non-farm payroll. So we need to be prepared for these things because it's very, very crucial that we are ready. Okay, so 10 a.m. tomorrow and then 8:30 the following day. So be prepared for more volatility within the market. It's not saying this is going to be bad readings or good readings. It just means uncertainty of price direction. Okay, so we're aware of that. Then also we shared out today, or we shared out at the beginning of this week, the earnings. So this is a bonkers week to be trading. Okay, so in and out of your trades quickly, pay yourselves, all that good stuff. Now we had earnings today. We have Apple and Amazon tomorrow, guys, and Meta. We got 3 big hitters tomorrow, right? Today we had MasterCard. I believe we had someone had poor earnings today. I don't know who it was, but it might have affected the market as well. And then Boeing, right? So like, guys, this is just a bonkers week. So we need to be prepared, right? We need to be paying ourselves early. We need to be getting in and out of trades using good risk management. And sometimes this is the best week to sit out and just paper trade, right? So that you can definitely, what does Warren Buffett say? He always says the first rule of investing is never lose money. Like, come on, right? Come on, let's go. Digging the haircut, buddy, says TRD Farmer. Thanks, bro. I even put some shit in it. I'm a carpenter by trade, so I don't typically ever put. What would you call it? Product in my hair. And I started talking like this. Thank you so much for being here. Jonathan Schaefer, Justin Eubanks. You bank, I bank, be your own bank. That's the saying. Limited blushing. Andy Lee says, Jonathan Schaefer, y'all make it so easy and you guys are so welcoming. Well, we continue to try and be welcoming and kind. We always said at the beginning of starting this channel, like, you better be damn kind or you can get the hell out of here. We don't want any jackasses around here. So thank you so much for being a part of this community. And then we have like exceptions like Mark Dutch and Dave Digital who sometimes bend the rules, but we know their hearts are in the right place all the time. Oh man. So we're going short at 4K on the Kelvin, and let's go through this. So we have our areas of interest where we're looking for key levels to be attacked, okay? And what are these key levels going to be? Well, first of all, we know we have very good support here at the value area low. Now, that's going to be crucial. You can see this purple box down here, around 41,000, okay? Around 41,000. However, we know with the heat map, there's a lot of liquidity down here. So would price like to come to this 40,000? I think if it does want to venture down here, it's definitely looking to come below this 41,000. If it comes back down, right? Because we've had a very violent move up. We haven't had very good price structure. So if it does come down like this and then continue up, sure, that's great. Okay, we don't care either way. We'll buy more if it comes down. That's fine. So we prepare for that. And then the other situation that I'm thinking of is that we get price working its way up into this area. We get a bearish divergence and then a push downwards that would be a lot more violent. Okay, so for me, just looking at this, what I would see is like you could see like maybe an ABC downwards, right? So I was looking at this where you got your ABC, right? Downwards. Or you could get the ABC this way where your ABC 1, 2, 3, and you just bounce off the value area low and you continue your way upwards, which would be up to here. But then that would be like a very big long-term kind of bang, bang. I also have a Fib Swanee level here. Him and Eric Crown, guys, 33, 36, 30, 36, 7. This is the Fib Swanee level. Guys, this is the Fib Swanee level. I haven't shared this just yet, but we got it between 36.7 and 35.8. That is a target by Fib Swanee. So I copied that over. If you haven't watched the Eric Crown Fib Swanee video, this is absolute fire. We shared it in the Discord, and we can share it again or whatever. But this guy's Fibonacci's are a gangster, man. Like he's like my Fib grandpa. Like I respect him a lot. So we're definitely. Oh, don't move that. Lock that. All right. We're definitely looking for all that stuff. We don't have enough likes in this. Yeah. Jonathan Schaefer says smash the likes, and he's the sheriff, so you better listen. Let's get those likes up to the amount of viewers. We got 24 viewers and only 13 likes, and come on, guys. We here. Click the bell. He's saying click the bell too. Cluck, cluck. So we definitely have some good levels here that we are watching in the near term, right? This is not a big move down to 40,000, right? 5%, right? So that's very much on the table right now, and we seem to be consolidating after Jerome Pow. Now, what are the determining factors here? Well, I've just been having a look here on the Dixie, and we can see that we are still consolidating around this area. So we want to see either this level push up or lost, right? And it seems to be holding so far so good. We can adjust this trend line a little bit. But we are looking for continuation to the downside on the dollar. If we do break out of this level at 103, we could be looking for more downside on other risk-on products, being the S&P. Now, the S&P has taken a little dive bomb after Jerome Powell today, so we are aware of that. However, that's just on the 30-minute time frame. You look at the daily, you can see that the S&P is absolutely skyrocketing, and a return back down to retest these highs around 4,800 would not be surprising to me. Okay, it's had a massive price discovery over the last couple of weeks. So if we do come down here and then continue, I wouldn't be surprised by that at all. Okay, so keep our eyes on this because we're in price discovery on the S&P. Keep our eyes on the dollar. Let's see if the dollar can hold and roll over, right? And then we'll see what Bitcoin's doing. Right now, there's a lot of bullish news and a lot of things going on in the market that are contributing to crazy pumps, crazy dumps, right? So we know the FUD is real. As bag holders, we just keep holding, right? And we don't get too emotional about it, right? We're in the crypto world. We know this is going to be an emotional ride. So we prepare as best as possible, okay? Now, let's get rid of these areas of interest. Let's go over Market Cipher and let's take a look. So we're looking at the 3-day confirmation of the beautiful, beautiful trigger wave, okay? So that's what we're looking at. The trigger wave confirmation here. And we can simply see that we got the confirmation, okay, the crossover here, but we are getting a sell-off right now, okay? And how bad are we selling off, okay? Let's take a look. All right. We are getting a bit of a dump here on the Bitcoin price. Okay. Oof. Coming back down within this range. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry. I just wanted to check where we're at. Okay. So this is looking a little bit bearish. We could come back to retest these areas around 41,850. Okay, let's see what it does down here. 1 second. Keep you guys, 41.6. 41.6. Let's keep an eye out for 41.6. Let's see how that goes. So we'll go through the top-down analysis, but what we were looking at is this 3-day confirmed trigger wave looking to push to the upside. Okay, so we're definitely watching this. Money flows up. Okay, this is looking pretty bullish. Okay, we just got a lot of things to process throughout the day with all the FOMCs, Jerome Powell, all that stuff. So right now, we want to wait for the markets to settle, right? Once they've settled and consolidated at a good level of support, then we can kind of make another prediction in where we're looking for price to head, right? And then we can look at what's happened on our indicators and which way we think in probabilistic form we think price can go, right? And by doing that, we put the probabilities in our favor, and hopefully by that we can execute a trading plan, right? That's how we always talk about trading, right? So going through this weekly bullish looking candle, now it's a reversal candle. So mixed signals here on the weekly, okay? 5-day bullish engulfing, trying to push up. 4-day money flow or VWAP crossover looking a bit bullish to the upside. Let's see if we get a bounce here on the momentum wave and the price action. Okay, these are much longer term time frames. 3-day trigger wave, green upside. 2-day confirmed trigger wave to the upside. VWAP above the zero line, looking to possibly cool off in the next couple of days. Okay, and the daily has now this is scary. Okay, this is scary. This could be very, very bearish. Okay, so you can see here, price is moving up, right? Price moves down, right? And we get the first time above here, we get the first time where we're crossing over the zero line, right? So we get these, sorry, my drawing tool is not, we get this kind of bearish momentum. We get a pushback, okay? So the lower lows, this thing, right? And the bullish momentum to the upside, which is a nice retrace. However, the thing here is that we were trading above the zero line. Look at the momentum waves, right? So on the way up, momentum waves to the upside. Now we cross over significantly oversold, right? Now we're coming back to retest. Now what is this suggesting? Continuation, right? We got continuation. Money flows coming out. That's the big one. Money flows coming out. We got lower lows on our beautiful momentum waves, right? Lower lows on the momentum waves. Money flows coming out. VWAP is now about to cross over to the downside, okay? To the downside. So there's some bearish signs coming up right now. So can this negate the 2-day, the 3-day? Absolutely. We could get a bounce here off of the zero line that comes down, okay? A bounce here that comes off the zero line. So watch your 2-day close, which is tomorrow and 1 day and 3 hours from now, right? 2-day close, and see if we come up to the zero line, and we could possibly be looking for a rejection tomorrow or the next day. Okay, so this is, I'm not trying to spread any FUD, but I am being very cautious right now. This looks like it wants to go like this, just by the 2-day analysis or the daily analysis, okay? You got some exhaustion up here. I believe this is a 0.5 rejection zone. Let's check it out. Let's see. All right. Look at that, 0.5. 0.5. So a rejection that doesn't come all the way up to the 618 typically is a lot more aggressive, okay? So this could be very, very bearish if it does play out, okay? The continuation down. We know the liquidity lies down here, and another flush, right? Because people aren't that scared, right? People aren't that scared. We go over here. We can go to the crazy chat that we have all you guys in. And it's gone, says Kalish. We're still 60. We're still at 60 with the greed, guys. We're still at 60. This got to be down here somewhere, man, before we start getting, right? FG says, Jonathan Schaefer, field goal or fair value gap? Do you mean this right here? There's a gap right here. We could be looking for that gap. BTC Ve Explorer says, Cleverton Cordero, welcome, my man. Hope you're doing well. Good to see you here. First time being here. Much love to you, man. Welcome to the Otter Gang. So, rejection off that 0.5. Looking a little bit possibly bearish. Let's see if we get a confirmation of a red dot after this push down so we can see a pop off. Now, we do know there is key levels of support and resistance below us that we can look for a hold. However, this isn't looking too good right now. Now, let's flip to the 12. The 12 has given us a red dot confirmation momentum wave to the downside. I also wanted to check out, okay, we're still above the dynamic reactor on the 12-hour. However, we've hit in the take profit and like a very volatile day, right? A very volatile day. So right now, very much indecision. We can wait to see if we get some of the support coming in around here. Wait, come on, tool. Come on, tool. wait to see if we get some support. We have some key support around 42K. Okay, 42K. If we fall through that, we're definitely looking to come back down to the bottom of this dynamic reactor, around 41,000 to 40,000. Okay, that's where the liquidity really lies. And how do we do that? We check our heat map over on CoinGlass, and that's always free. So make sure you go over and you get your heat map just to kind of understand. It's not necessarily going to be perfect, but it's going to give you a general idea of where the liquidity does lie and where the market maker wants to come back and attack, right? So you go over here, heat map, CoinGlass, right? And you notice down here below 39,000, look at all this liquidity that lies down here. We do have a little bit sitting above 46,000 here. However, in my opinion, this looks a lot more tantalizing to the downside for the market to come back and get some of these people who are still in longs all the way back here. Okay, so we're definitely keeping an eye on what's going on. Cleverton, I kicked him from Andy's and Tino's channel. Yeah, well, Dave D, my favorite mod. What's going on, Dave Digital, man? What's going on? Let's see some DDs in the chat. What's going on, my man? Much love to you, Dave. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Good seeing on Billy Goat Tales last night, man. Much love to you, man. Thank you for dropping by and spreading some love. Much love to you, brother. Much love to you. So, getting down into the 4 hour, we had a crazy day. We know those levels. So what are our key levels to the downside? What are our key levels to the upside? Where are we looking for price to come to, right? So we just gave you the kind of the big picture. Then we'll give you all these smaller areas where we're looking for confluence. And we'll definitely share out this in the Discord. So if you aren't part of our Discord, come and hang out. We would love to have you. And we're it's all free. It's all good. We got lots of great traders in there helping each other. And we're looking to come down now that we're falling down. Okay, look at that bounce off the dynamic reactor. Wow, this thing does work a lot of the time. Like, I don't trust it yet, but it does work a lot of the time, man. For areas of where we get a reaction in price. So it's pretty cool just to see how well it works. Even here coming up to the top here a little bit of a rejection. So right here, getting a little bit of a bounce. However, we're looking to hold this area, right? This is our area. Then we have an area below us here, right? And then, so we're looking to hold this area over here. If we lose that area, then we're looking to come back down into this area here, right? So you can treat it as areas and price as confluence. But right now, it's the daily is what's got me. Money flow coming out, right? Money flow coming out. Bearish momentum to the downside on these momentum waves here, right? So we'll have to be patient and wait for the settling of the dust, right? I believe tomorrow will not be pretty if this dump continues, okay? It will not be pretty. We could be looking for much lower prices, but don't expect price to go right down. We've currently crossed over the point of control, right? So a retest of the point of control before heading down would be nice to see before lower prices, okay? And a big Jerome Powell scare today, getting everybody kind of bullish, hopium back into the markets, and now a sell-off looking to scare us out yet again, okay? So very, very cautious within the next couple hours, I would sleep on it and let the day settle and make sure that you're prepared for the next day, and we can go from there together. And if you have any questions, obviously in the Discord, I would love to answer them. However, alts, guys. I need some altcoins from you guys because Ethereum's dumping. XRP is going to zero. The Dixie is flying. Like, all of a sudden, people are holding dollars again. We got a sell-off across the board. What are you guys looking at? Are you guys looking at the dog coins? Are you guys looking at Injective? Are you guys looking at Optimism down 8%? Oh, man. Optimism's getting beaten up. Holy smokes, man. 4-hour blood diamond on Bitcoin. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Bitcoin. No. 4-hour blood diamond. Cheaper prices. Cheaper prices. Cheaper prices. Let's go. Thanks for pointing that out, Pablo. Yes, we do have the monthly coming up for Bitcoin as well. And it doesn't look too good, guys. It doesn't look too good. And if we do close in the red, I think Eric Crown was talking about this. We not far, man. This would be ugly monthly candle, man. Look at this. Guys, this is no good. This is very bad, okay? Not as bon. Look at that candle. This is like Darth Maul with This is ugly. It's ugly, okay? Overall, beautiful. Overall, beautiful. Currently, ugly, okay? 4-hour blood diamond. Yes? How may I take your order? Hi, could I get a big, huge chili with extra beans because we're getting a dump today? Whew. Jeez. 30K, let's go. Says 12 Big Dow. What's going on? Dallas, my man, join us in the Discord. Much love to you, my brother. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Love having you, man. Love having you. So we're getting a big sell-off here. We got key levels. What are your key levels, my friends? What coins would you like me to look at? What are you guys looking to accumulate? For me, I'm looking to grab some Arbitrum right now. So I would like ARB because after seeing Ethereum pump and knowing that the ETH, so I have a kill box right here at $1.60. $1.60 Arbitrum, I believe, is a steal. That's something I'm definitely looking at. And we've had a massive, massive push from Arbitrum. So if we do come within, this is my buy box of Arbitrum. So if we do come back into this level, I am definitely going to be a buyer. So I did pick up some down here on this wick. Okay, so we are looking for a little bit more. Fill up those bags a little bit more. I'm about 70% allocated here. So for me, right now, it's not major buys. Okay, I've done most of my major buying down at the lows. I was buying when Bitcoin was at around 24,000. I was buying down here. Like, I'm not gonna say I bought the bottom, guys. I was buying down here and down here. That's where I bought most of my stuff. I did, however, catch the bottom on. I caught a very nice bottom on Matic and a very nice bottom on Cardano. Okay, I got Cardano 22 cents or something stupid like that. So yeah, down here, 22 cents on this wick. This wick exactly. Let's hide this right here. Whew, that was beautiful. Come say it, Borat style. Come on, very nice. We want to dump the Bitcoin. I like. Oh. FET, VET, and H-bar. Let's take a look at FET, VET, and H-bar. FET. Fetch AI, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, FET's coming down to that key level of support right now. Whew. This sell-off, man. This sell-off. Now, just looking at FET objectively here, where do we think the key level of support is going to be? I would say it's right here. Just matching up with his previous highs here. So you're looking at a 47-cent FET. Okay, and that's pretty nice, man, in my opinion. So coming down here, you have this key level of support that we are watching on FET. If we lose 56, so you're coming back within this range over here. And you'll definitely be looking to, point of control. We had a nice bounce there. You can see that's definitely holding here. Jonathan Schaefer, can channel what WTF is BTC in you? Oh, no. No more in use, guys. We're not allowed any more in use. Oh, man. We did so much TA on Cock in you that I've almost lost my sanity, okay? We even have a chicken to go with it. A Bitcoin chicken for Kakinya. Oh, I think Ken Channel is asking to get a big boot. And banned, says Jonathan Schaefer. Bye-bye. Sayonara. You're also looking at VET, okay? V-Chain. You like the V-Chain, okay? So let's take a look at VET. Crypto. Boom, boom, boom. Can you take a look at rats for DGen? Yeah, of course. 100K. Thank you for being here, man. I've seen you around. VeChain. So yeah, VeChain, we're looking for that 23 cent area, okay? We have a level of support here that has held. We'll get rid of this box, actually. So if we do fall down, we did a VeChain video. It should be on the channel. Actually, quite recently, we're targeting 23 cents for that fall, right? For the fall here, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we get that 5 alive, 23 cent VeChain. I think that would be a great price target, in my opinion. Looking at these, though, we know where's like the bearish territory. I don't think prices are going to get down within these areas, and it's very easy to identify where. Look at that. That's almost Wyckoff perfectly here. By the way, you can see Wyckoff a mile away, but we don't think we're gonna get below this into this bearish territory. However, retesting of these massive moves, right? We know we like to retest these areas, right? We know we like to come back down, say hello, and then take off to the moon, right? So very, very possible with VeChain. Let's go over to rats. I've never looked at rats. Okay, rat's ass, eh? Maybe there's more data on something else. Let's go to KuCoin. Sometimes KuCoin has... Okay, pump, rug. Okay, let's take a look here on rats for you, my friend. My DGen friend, 100K. Well, we got a bullish flag formation here. However, you're coming up to key levels of resistance. You have some... We've looked at this before? Oh, wow. Okay, so key support, moving your way upwards. You can draw your upwards trend line for momentum, for tracking momentum, and look for the continuation, right? So right now, coming up to key support. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's pull our volume across. So a retest of these lows here, or of these previous highs, would not be out of the question here. So I would be targeting a continuation from here. Okay, retest of here. We're getting a big sell-off right now, right? This is a 20% move. Okay, so retest of these highs would be the first thought, right? Before continuing upwards. Coming back, consolidating along this upwards trend line, also an idea. This is not the time to buy this, though. The time to buy is when it comes back down to about this number. 0, however many zeros, 25, okay? That would be my buy zone if you are looking for that. Rats, it's what's for 10. Rats is a shit coin that you don't buy. My God. You guys are sending me on some next level adventures today. So we got the 4-hour blood diamond. But yeah, rats is not looking too good. Andy Lee was gifted a membership by Retro Mike Tech. Much love to you, Andy Lee. Welcome. Andy Lee just joined us in the free Discord. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Much love to you. Thank you so much for being part of the community. We appreciate you. And thank you, Retro Mike, for definitely being such a generous fan of the Otter Gang. We love you, Mike. Thank you so much, man. Let's see some Retro Mikes in the chat. Much love to you, my friend. So, sell-offs, guys. Sell-offs is all across the board We got sell-offs on AVAX coming down right now. Okay, coming down to about $33. Watch these key levels, right? Make sure you have them marked out. $33 on AVAX, dumping on Matic. Okay, Matic, we were looking for a retrace back to this box. It's not looking too good for Matic. Your next key level down below is going to be 76 cents for Matic. Okay. Going down to Link. Link's getting a sell-off, but Link is holding up. Like we said, Link likes to put in shelves, right? Beautiful, beautiful shelves. Short the highs, long the lows. Enjoy the trip until it blows, right? Woo! And it blasts off. Okay, so Link coming back down, probably down to $15 here. Looking quite nice. Solana, Solana falling below this point of control. Okay, that's interesting for Solana. Let's pull this across actually a little bit more so we can see. Yeah, below the point of control here. Looking to come back and retest some of these levels down below. Let's see if we got those levels as we speak. Okay, so this was my buy zone for Solana. We didn't get fully into it. However, if you do lose this level that we're currently touching on right now, around $95, you're looking to come back and retest this $92 level, okay? So looking pretty bearish across the board here, guys. I'm not trying to be a perma bear. I'm just saying this daily sell-off could occur with the curling over here of the VWAP. Jerome Powell just kind of being wasn't really hawkish, okay? I listened to the whole thing. Wasn't really hawkish. However, he wasn't bullish at all. Like, so they're not sure when these interest rates are coming. Let's go and check out the interest rates, okay? So that we can see. We go over to our CME Fed Watch tool so we can check out when we get our. Okay, so for the next one in March, we got 35% chance that we could be getting a cut, okay? Down to 525, okay? 35% chance. Okay, we go over to probabilities here. We can see when are they expecting the 35% chance here, right? Okay. When are they expecting this cut, right? And it's not looking too good until I would say probably, yeah. Oh, May, June, 54%, 50-50, June. Okay. June is probably where we're looking, June. But right now, got to be patient. One more. We're going to look at Metis. Métis. Is this francophone? Métis. All right. Thanks, Jonathan Schaefer, for always keeping me up to date. We'll see. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Point of control, value area low. You got a range here. You're dropping, man. You're dropping. So Metis. You draw your sandwich, you see your highs, you see your key levels of resistance, right? Very obvious. You see your support, right? You see your support. So for me, with Metis or Métis or whatever you want to call me, Alex O Crypto, we can see we got key support around 77. Okay, that's going to be your psychological support level. But right now it's looking like it's coming down like most things in the market. You can see you perfectly touched it. There's not a lot of data on Market Cypher. This is on Bybit though, so maybe there is a little bit more elsewhere. I would draw your simple downwards trend line, looking for this to break out, right? So you draw this. Look for this to break out, start putting in higher lows, right? So right now you want to see it find support, which I don't think it will until we get down to this level. You want to see it break out, and you want to see it start putting some healthy market structure and wait for that pullback. You want to see that break of structure. So right now you got to get above $83, right? So you could do one of these, and then maybe you come back up, break the structure, the retest of the lows, pull a fib from swing low to swing high, and look to ride this puppy back up. But for now, you're in a downtrend. You're looking for the retest of this downwards trend line. You could simply pull a fib from swing high to swing low if this is the low, right? And you can look for continuation to the downside somewhere within this downwards trend line. And that's how I would trade it if you are looking for a short. If you're looking for accumulation, you're looking around $77 as a low to hold, okay? So very, very possible. Coming down to 55, maybe all the way down to 33. Am I on the wrong chart then? Let's go to KuCoin. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the daily. They just listed on... Oh, wow. Okay. Sometimes you got to find... So KuCoin has a lot of data on altcoins in comparison. So your retest would be down to 50. Yeah, around 50. Okay. Yeah, so make sure you know what exchange you're looking on. You go over, you type it in, right? Typically, you want to go to Bybit or Binance because there's more volume. So when you're trading something, the more volume that's on that exchange, that's why I use Bybit for Bitcoin, the more accurate it is for my levels when I'm pulling fibs, when I'm pulling just for my trades, okay? So that's why I look for my trades on Bybit. But when I'm looking for like big data, and obviously for Bitcoin, you go on the Bitstamp chart, right? Or you can go to the BTC USD chart. But when it's an altcoin, you look for where it was first listed, and then from there you can find more data. So KuCoin is typically a good bet when it comes to things like that. So going on KuCoin, they tend to list things earlier than most, and then you can get more data on them. So your lows here, $70, but if you do fall, right, you could easily come back down to 49, so $50. But then also, like, you look at this area here, you got a big bear run within here, and your next level of volume really is this $37. So $37, $50, but right now you want to see 70 hold. Okay, so that's kind of your thinking with Métis. I'm going to call it Métis. Could we look at Gala? Yeah, of course. Got to drive now. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, everyone. Love you all. Love you, Alexandra G. Much love to you. Have a safe drive. Remember to always keep your eyes on the road and not this beautiful haircut. Much love to you, Alexandra G. We're going to look at Gala real quick before we get out of here. So Gala's in that downtrend. Same kind of deal here. Keep your eyes on the prize. So we got a bit of a breakout here on Gala, and then now it seems as though it's coming back to retest. Okay, so Gala's falling. We have some weird ass levels here on Gala. I'm going to get rid of this one. Let's go to the daily. Let's wipe the slate clean. Okay, so Gala had that big... I hate Gala because Gala wrecked me in the bear market when Gala had that move over here. So I have like a little bit of a pet peeve on Gala. Like I tried to short Gala like somewhere around here, and it wrecked me like twice, I think, right here too. I was very mad at Gala for a very long time. Okay, then we had this downwards trend. Now we have the upwards trend. And now we are in a downwards trend, okay? So you got a very key level coming up. That's around 20 cents or 2 cents. 2 cents, sorry. 2 cents. And then your very, very, very scary one for Gala is at 1.7, okay? 1.7. Let's say 1.8 cents, okay? You do have some there's my cold coming back. You do have some key levels, though, to hopefully hold you up on Gala. Gala, if it does pump, though, man, this is going to be crucial to see this hold around 0 to 1 cent, okay? 0.0 to 2.1 cent. That's how you'd say that. 2.1 cent. I always get confused with all that. So you're looking to come back down to this level. You could possibly get some sort of bullish divergence here. So this is never off the table, okay? Where you do see the curvature here. I don't like when it curves, okay? I like to see more of a spiky price action. This curvature suggests there's momentum dropping us down. However, you can pull a swing low to swing high. You can see we're at the golden pocket right now, getting a little bit of a bounce, but you're most likely coming down to the 786. Look for a bounce there. Make sure to draw out that level and look for the continuation. If you do bounce, you could get a bounce back up to this 0.5. It's not looking good. Right now, you want to see this level. You really want to see hold, and then you want to see the change in market structure that we always talk about here. So for me, nice move up. Let's see if we can get the bullish continuation. Money flow is in the red, right? So you want to see some good structure putting in higher lows on the way up here, and then maybe consider. But I wouldn't, if you are bullish on Gala, this 2.1 cent area, if you do believe it's going to rocket, which I'm not sure about Gala. I'm skeptical on Gala. However, this is a great area because we've been so suppressed throughout this bear market. If it even gets up to, this is massive, right? This is crazy to think, but if it gets back to even half of where it was before, you're looking at massive gains, right? You're looking at massive. Yeah, you're looking at 10x. Easy 10x, okay? So keep your eyes on the prize. Remember, the prize is in the patience, right? The prize is in the mindset. The prize is in the community, the people you're hanging out with, the way you're trading, the group of people. We have such a great community here. We're a bit crazy, but we give everything away for free. We are trading. We are traders helping traders. We have great ideas. We have multiple different strategies. We're all here to help each other. We have people who are much more tech savvy than me who can help you with all whatever questions you have. We have a great community of people here helping each other, and that's what it's all about. So thank you guys so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for supporting this channel, being part of the solution in the crypto world of bringing positivity and kindness to the world every single day. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I will see you guys tomorrow. Much love. God bless you guys. And Jerome Pow Pow, bugger off, bud. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Crypto.